Yeah, this your boy Bo Jack again. Vino Vision, you know what I mean? Out in the Blizzard, special edition. Special Blizzard edition. Look, them people off in the distance. You can't tell though, cause it's fucked up. Fucked up out here, but all you can see is white though. Terrible. But yeah, I'm headed back on in.